So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to install this hyip manager in your web hosting. How to install it. I also made a video in my last video. I also showed how you can get the hyip pro manager script at a lower price. As you can see, this goldcolder sells their own at the rate of $166, and it is almost the same thing with the one I will be giving you. So guys, the link to the video, to the previous video will be in the description below. Please make sure you watch it so you can get the hype manager script. So guys, we will now move to the host I'll be using. I'll be using InterServer my host. So this is my account. This is my account. I've already gotten this. So I will be going to my host now. So I've already pointed the domain. If you don't know how to point a domain to a host, please, I will refer you to a link where where you can watch about our study on Cpanel, how you can manage your host, how you can buy a cheap host, how you can do everything you want on your host. So today I've already gotten the host. I've already linked my name servers to my domain. So in case you don't know what a name server is, there is also a video where I explained about name servers. So guys, I will move to logging into my cpanel, which I have already opened, but I can just click here, automatic login. It can refresh this page for me. So this is my cpanel. Cpanel I got from where Mentor Server Web Hosting. They give premium PHP hosting package. So this host right now, when you want to install a hyip manager pro script, first of all, because hyip manager pro script doesn't use the updated php version, they use 5.6 php version. So you will go to you locate software, you locate software in your cpanel, you locate software. So when you locate software, you come to multi select, okay, can come to select php version. Let's open it in a new tab. So we don't need this, don't need this again, we don't need this, we don't need this, we don't need this. So this is the PHP selector. First of all, make sure you have set the PHP of the host to 5.6, 5.6, that is to be current. But if you're not going to be using the host, especially for the installation, you can just select, can just come to this place, multi PHP manager. Here you can select the particular PHP version you want for each domain. So for each domain I want, I can select the PHP version I want. I can come here, select the PHP version that I want. But I've already installed version 5.6 in this cpanel as a whole. This is my hosting cpanel. So what I will do is I will create a database. I will come to database. I will come to this place. Look at this. I will come to this place. This is the database. So I will select my SQL database. So I will open this in a new tab. So I'll close this. I don't need it. So I'll open this. So I'm going to be creating a database for my domain. So what I will do is I'll create Swift. Let me use Swift. So I'll be naming my database Swift. So I'll click on create database. So I come back to go, I click on this place. I scroll here. So I'll be copying this database I created right now so that I'll be able to create the password. So I will get it, I will use the same thing. So I will copy a password. So Please, please pay attentive so I can understand the steps I'll be following. I won't be explaining everything, so we can be fast. So, I create a database. So I go back. So now I'll be merging the two database together. I'll be merging the two database. I'll click on select. I'll look for the database I created. So I can merge the two of them. So come here. Uh, so I click on add. So you will select all privileges. So select all privilege. Click on. Now the next step is installation, file installation. So the domain I'll be using for this is called Swift Invest. So this is the domain I'll be using. So I don't need this. So yeah, I click on delete, get them. So go to this. So I upload the file. So first of all, after you have downloaded the file, if you need the script, I'll keep a link below where you can get the script. So I've already downloaded the script. So I will locate the script where it is. So I can. So this is the updated one. This is the updated script. This is the updated script. So what I do is I click on and that's installing it immediately. So wait for this to download. If this haven't shown green, please endeavor not to leave here until this is green. So this is green now. So I'll click on return back to home. So I will extract it. I'll extract it. Click on extract. I'll extract. Then it's extracted. So I go over to this place and I search with 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 union test dot com slash install dot php. So I click on and so what I do is I copy the database, you put the database username, put database password. I made everything identical so that it will be easy for me. So I'll be giving you a license number for this. So I'll put in the email I created for this. If you don't know how to create an email, like I said, I dropped a video on Cpanel management. So you can go back, can refer back to the video and learn how to create an email. So I'll put the mail, put the mail. So I'll put the password.